I'm sure you've heard the news. Sometimes greatness starts small, smaller than you can even imagine. But even the tiniest hope can become something amazing. Buried beneath the earth, the seed faced storms, drought, and bitter cold. Sometimes it felt invisible, alone in the darkness. But deep inside, it never gave up. With every drop of rain and every ray of sun, it pushed forward, one brave step at a time. Roots reached deep, branches stretched wide, and slowly, the little seed grew. It broke through the soil, reaching toward the light, against all odds. Day after day, it kept growing, even when no one was watching. Until one day, that seed stood tall as a mighty tree, strong, proud, and unbreakable. Remember, your journey might feel slow, and the world might seem tough. But with courage and hope, you too can rise, one step at a time. Keep growing, and one day, you'll touch the sky.